Tinnitus creates a perception of noise in your ears and is most commonly known as ringing in the ears. It is not a serious problem, but with age the noise increases, causing irritation and discomfort. Many essential oils can help to remove the symptoms of tinnitus. Let us take a closer look at how essential oils work to stop ringing in ears and which essential oils are good for tinnitus. Tinnitus is a symptom of some underlying neurological or other problem, and it is almost impossible to identify the real cause in most cases. Essential oils have shown good results in preventing and stopping ringing in ears. They work on stimulating circulation, contracting muscles, soothing skin, and providing neurological stimuluses. Different essential oils have different potencies for one or more of these properties. Therefore, try different essential oils to see what suits your case. This is important because the underlying cause of tinnitus is generally not known. Here are the 3 best essential oils that help with tinnitus. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts. Direct application can burn or damage the skin. Always dilute them in a carrier oil before use. Popular carrier oils are almond, apricot kernel, olive, jojoba, and coconut oils. Experiment and see what works well in your case. All of them should do a good job, but some of them may be more suitable for you than the others. You can combine them also. 1. Cypress Essential Oil. Cypress oil stimulates blood circulation and calms the nervous system. Therefore, its usefulness to treat tinnitus increases. It gives you instant relief from ringing in your ears. 2. Green Basil Essential Oil. Green Basil Essential Oil is an antispasmodic, helping muscles to relax. When muscle cells in the ears are relaxed, the ringing sensation also stops. 3. Helichrysum Essential Oil. This is one of the most powerful essential oils widely used in tinnitus. Its capabilities to repair blood vessels and nerves and to reduce inflammation are the main reasons for it to be very effective in tinnitus symptom relief. Add 10 drops of any one of the above essential oils in a tablespoon of carrier oil like almond oil. Mix well and massage it behind the ears, on the earlobe, on the outer ear canal, and all over the neck to get relief from ringing in the ears. Do it 3 to 4 times daily. Bottom line is, essential oils can give relief from tinnitus. Try them out. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.